All right, so in this episode, we are going to tackle two little jobs. See if I can bring you a little bit of entertainment. So the Audi has a overheating issue. So I have a filter. I had a filter on it. The engine needed to be flushed because, you know, the sludge issue with these engines. So had the engine flushed. There was a lot of goopy, gunky, thick sludge. Anyhow, to get, I also had a plastic part that was broken that separated the oil from the coolant. The two were merging, so I put a filter on to not allow the oil into the coolant. Of course, yes, I did replace that piece as well. So I'm going to take that filter off, let her breathe a little bit. You know, it's been a couple of years now, so it should be out of there, but I liked having that extra bit of security. The other thing I'm going to do is on the Mark 7 Golf, the rear wiper blade seems to have torn. I'm going to replace that. So come along, let's check it out and see how I make out with this thing. Not a half bad day. Alright, let's do this.
So the car's overheating. So what's happening is one of the fans, this one, is not behaving. I guess after 19 years, it's got to go at some point. So what I'm going to do, or what is happening is, it's too hot, and this is the weakest point of the system at the moment, so it's blowing this seal and leaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with a new hose. So I'm going to take out the filter and put the new hose in. When I get the fan fixed, then I'll look for another filter and get that in. So that is what I am up to. So you will lose a little bit of coolant, but I've got extra coolant and water. Don't want to tear the hose. So trying to go gently. There we go. Alright, you stay here. Alright, so like I said, we're going to lose a little bit of fluid. Might as well pour it back in, right? Actually, come to think of it, the hose is made to leak the other way, or drain the other way, right? So let's make it easier on the system. Okay. And empty. And just like that, it's back on. $5 for this hose, so why not replace it or get one, right? If I go back to the other, at least I'll have this as a backup. So, yeah. All right, time to button everything back up. Take it for a drive and enjoy.
Picked up the rear wiper blade for the Mark 7 Golf. I don't know what it is. It's just soft material. Even the wiper blades on the windshield. I'm replacing almost one every winter for her. They're just extremely soft. They get frozen to the windshield very, very easily. And so when you turn them on, it just rips them. Or like in the case of the back glass, the rear window wiper, it had too much snow on it, I guess, and just ripped it. Anyhow, 30 bucks later. Anyhow, I'm going to change it. So come along and we'll figure this out together, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Alright. Audi looking good, though. Audi looking good. This looks pretty straightforward. I guess I push down on that, remove this, clip the other one in. Yep, that's just the way it is. Clip, clip. And she will be happy again. That was easy. End of story. Alright, well, that was easy. Like, comment, subscribe. Just a short one for now. Just a short one for now.